Today we're going to be using the ultrasonic sensor on the front, and we're going to be creating a door chime program. This says step-by-step in our book how to create the door chime program, and I'll show you on the computer right after I demonstrate this. So the first thing we want to do is, just like when we're checking with our line finder and our color sensor, is we want to go into the, let's check this over here. We want to go into our port view, okay? So I want to make sure that we get into the port view, and then we're gonna select that, and then we go over all the way over to this is our color sensor, and right here is our sensor for our ultrasonic, and you can see if I put my hand here, the numbers change close and far depending on the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. So now that we have that, we can set up our program for the door chime. Now we're going to create our door chime program. We were able to look at our ultrasonic sensor and see how it works. We're going to have an open distance to place our robot, and we can measure that. I used a measuring stick and found the distance to be 36 inches. So we're going to create a door chime program. Call it door chime. And we're going to start with our loop block so that it continues to work. We're going to use a wait timer, and we want to use our ultrasonic compare in inches. And we're going to use whatever measurement you have for your open space, which I have 36 inches. You can use any number here. And then when this is when we have something that is less than 36 inches in our ultrasonic sensor, then we want to make some noise. So we have a noise block, and you can go into play notes or tones as they suggest, or you can pick up some sounds. Any kind of sounds you want in here. Movements. So you can pick the sounds in there. And then what's going to happen if something's breaking this, if it's standing there, or if there's something that stays in that space that's less than 36 inches, it'll just continue to loop through and play over and over and over again and make a lot of noise. So that could get annoying. So what we want to do is we want to also add a weight block using the ultrasonic sensor to compare in inches, and we want this one to be greater than. So we'll have the same measurement, 36. I use 36 here and then 36 there. What's going to happen is when something is in the field less than 36 inches, it's going to play this sound, and then it's going to wait until it leaves so that it's greater than 36 inches, and then once that happens, it's going to let it loop through and play again. And that's really, file save, that's all the program is. So let's test it and see how it runs. So now that we've created the program, whenever something breaks the line of sight, it'll set off our alarm. So now you got your program to work. Now it's your turn to make sure you can get the door chime program to work on your robot.